Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cute cheek, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a line down, a triangle shape, just following with me. And connect the line. Now draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle, a curve inside, inside with lines, and the mouth. Now we have a cute cheek. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.